life is amazing when we follow our passion, when we follow our heart. And that is what today's guest co-founded and founded with so much of love. Follow your rainbow. Life is colorful, life is joyful. Are you making one? It's possible. Let's welcome our guest, Sana Shah. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you so much.
I am super
It's
happy
lovely.
and excited. Yes, please go ahead.
No, it's like, that I'm so much happy seeing you live now. And it's an inspiration from your videos, which I get daily. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's good to receive blessings, and the feeling is mutual. We salute your
Yeah.
success in inspiring
Thank you so much.
so many educators all across the globe with over
Yeah.
10,000 people watching you every day, getting your message effortlessly, making teaching easy, and making learning a festival in the schools and classrooms. How did it all start? Please share with us your journey.
Like, I belong to early childhood community. I work for a preschool chain, and that's how I got this motivation, to start my own page, wherein I can, inspire kids and adults, parents. So that's how I just started this page. And the moment I started, I got immense love, and it kept growing. And now in 6 months I have almost covered 10,000 likes, and it is like increasing day by day.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. So, what is your mission in life? What inspires you?
My parents, first of all, inspire me a lot. I have their back. They support me daily. Like, what you want to become, you can. And they tell me, like, do whatever you wish. Like, if you have some dreams, and my dream is to open a preschool in future. Let's see how it goes.
It
So,
will
but right
definitely
now I'm
come out
happy.
well because you have given that message to the universe, and with the supportive parents, yes, universe
Yeah.
makes it happen easily.
Yeah. So, but right now I'm actually happy working for a preschool as an administrator. Maybe after, like, 2-3 years, I'm thinking, like, maybe I'll open a preschool. So keeping that in view, let's see how it goes. So yeah.
So, what are your 3 tips for teachers? How should we, nurture the kids? How should we handle the kids?
Yeah, their work, what they're doing, they should enjoy their work. If they enjoy, kids also enjoy.
Yes.
And yeah, that communication, that enjoyment should be there. And if you're what you say, if you enjoy your work, then it doesn't feel like you're working, you're enjoying, like that you feel you are enjoying. And rest everything flows.
Yes. If you love your work, if you enjoy your work, I think that one tip will make it happen. Beautiful. So, what is your tip
Yeah.
for parents?
For parents, I think they should what spend their time more with children. Nowadays it's all uh, technology. Mobile phones have taken the place of children.
Yes.
People are spending more time on mobile phones than their children. If they remove that time using their phones and they replace it with children, I think children will get more of homely love.
Yes.
Nowadays children are not getting that much love, and it's all become technology. Even children are using mobile phones and everything. So I feel both children and parents should spend time with each other, and that calmness should be there, that mental peace should be there, so that if children are annoying you, you should not yell at them back. That mindfulness they should practice, I feel. Praying, removing some time, यस यू नो जब आप प्रार्थना करते हो, जब आप नमाज पढ़ते हो, तो आप में वो शांति आ जाती है। तो आप अपने बच्चों के लिए वो गुस्सा वगैरह जो होता है बहुत ज्यादा क्या बोलते हैं, अभी आजकल लोग इतने चिड़चिड़े हो गए हैं, दे फाइट एंड दे डोंट गिव दैट मच लव टू देयर चिल्ड्रन। तो पेरेंट्स को वो फॉलो करना चाहिए। आई फील दैट जितना हो सके बच्चों को टाइम दो। और यस, दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से फॉर पेरेंट्स।
Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, we all are spending mobile time alone,
जी,
and we have
यस,
25,000 friends on mobile and not one real
ट्रू,
friend. And then
राइट,
both the parties are busy in their own world. I'm watching my Netflix, you watch your Netflix. Yeah.
ट्रू, या अभी पूरा डिजिटल हो गया है, तो बच्चों के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है पेरेंट्स को। और जो अगर थोड़ा बहुत मिलता भी है तो वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है उनके दिमाग में, फादर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम वर्क एंड देन रिमूविंग हिज फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन चिल्ड्रन। वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए। आई फील दिमाग एकदम शांत होना चाहिए और पूरा जो है अच्छी तरीके से ये होना चाहिए।
शांत आपने बोल दिया, ठीक है, नमाज पढ़ते हैं, प्रेयर करते हैं, भगवान का थैंक यू करते हैं। यस, और क्या
हाँ,
तरीका होगा मन को शांत करने का?
मन को शांत करने का आप मेडिटेट किया करो, थोड़ा टाइम निकालो एंड मेडिटेट करो। थोड़ा नेचर में जाओ, जस्ट गो फॉर अ वॉक और सी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स आउटसाइड। बहुत सारी चीजें हैं दिमाग को शांत करने के लिए, बहुत ज्यादा। या तो आप कोई हॉबी एक ये करो कि जो आपको चीज अच्छी लगती है, या तो पेंटिंग, या तो सिंगिंग, या कुछ भी आप जो जिससे आपको शांति मिले आप वो करो। अगर आपको पे नहीं करना तो ये सारी चीजें आप कर सकते हो। तो आपका
ब्यूटीफुल।
दिमाग जो है ऐसा शांत हो जाएगा और बच्चों के साथ आप अच्छे तरीके से टाइम स्पेंड कर सकोगे।
Yes, let there be love fountain. Let the love be radiated every breath, every heartbeat. So I see beautiful rainbow behind you. I understand it's your logo and your magic and your company name, which you found, the page name. Follow your rainbow. Please tell us more about it. ये नाम कैसे आया?
मुझे लगता है कि हमें अपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए, उन्हें चेज करना चाहिए। वी शुड चेज आवर ड्रीम्स। if you have something in your mind, you should not keep it within yourself. You should listen to your inner voice. I believe that. And if you are listening to your inner voice, then everything follows. Like you say, अगर आपको कुछ बनना है, आपको उसके लिए वर्क करना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल सक्सेस वन डे। तो
बढ़िया।
उस हिसाब से मैंने वो पेज बनाया है अभी। इट इज फॉर बोथ, एक्चुअली फॉर चिल्ड्रन एंड फॉर किड्स बोथ।
हाँ, सही है। वेरी गुड। ठीक है, अब फेलियर भी
जी,
आएंगे, मूड भी ऑफ होगा, दुखी भी होंगे। सो हाउ शुड वी मैनेज ऑल दैट? एंड देयर इज अ इनर वॉइस, सैडनेस, sorrow, self doubt and fear. That's
बहुत
not inner
ज्यादा
voice,
आपको
that's
जो
mind voice. Inner voice is always good.
यस, आपको बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे, मेनी पीपल विल ट्राई यू नॉट टू डू दैट, अरे ये क्या कर सोच रहे हो तुम, ये तो नहीं हो सकता। अगर हमारे बिगर ड्रीम्स है, इफ यू आर ड्रीमिंग फॉर समथिंग बिग, पीपल आर ऑलवेज देयर टू टेल यू ऑल नेगेटिव थिंग्स कि नो, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अचीव
हाँ,
इट,
नहीं कर सकते।
सम या सो दे विल ट्राई टू पुट यू डाउन। तो हमारा ये है कि हमें ये सारी चीजें अवॉइड करनी है, हमें उनकी बातें नहीं सुननी है। यू शुड लिसन टू योर व्हाट योर हार्ट इज सेइंग, राइट? यू शुड लिसन टू योरसेल्फ एंड कीप वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स दैट।
Okay,
जैसे कि
obey
अभी
you,
मैंने
ma'am.
पेज बनाया था, यस, आई थॉट इट्स नॉट गुड, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू अ प्री स्कूल इंडस्ट्री एंड व्हाट माय सीनियर्स विल टेल, बिकॉज आई एम क्रिएटिंग माय ओन पेज, तो पता नहीं कैसे होगा। देन नथिंग, ऑल हैपेंड वेल। तो
हाँ,
यस,
you
तो
want
अभी
blessings also, and you inspired
a lot,
also.
people are they think I'm an educator. Actually, I'm not a teacher, but I'm an admin. मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हूँ, बट people know me as an educator globally.
And you have a lot
They
of
are
tips on life coaching, parenting, and
Yes.
leadership. So you are blessed with all this and much more. So universe is unfolding plans. We wish you the best as an administrator, educator, leader, and life coach and mindset coach. But you tell us, what is life in one word?
What is life in one word? Life is God's biggest gift actually to us.
Yes.
And life is all how you make it. It is on you how you live it. It's like what हम एक छोटे से किरदार है और हमको परफॉर्म करना है कि आप कैसे जीना चाहते हो लाइफ. अगर आप दुखी होके जियोगे फिर वो लाइफ ऐसी ही होगी, लाइक बोरिंग जैसी होगी. अगर आप खुशी से जियोगे इट विल बी लाइक ऑल हैप्पीनेस अराउंड, लाइक आपको हर चीज अच्छी लगेगी.
William Shakespeare also said, life is a drama,
Yeah.
all world's a stage. Let's play our roles. Dun-dun-dun. Great. What is
Yes.
happiness to you?
Happiness is my parents actually.
Beautiful.
मेरे लिए
Okay.
yes. Because
Please tell
if
us
I
your
see
happiest
the
moments.
happiest moment is when I came back from Dubai.
Yes.
Because I was working before in Dubai. I came back and my parents were very happy because I was like, feeling very alone there. And even I was feeling very alone there. So when I came back, I was so much happy. They said, you do whatever you want here. Jo karna hai. Lekin you stay with us, in front of us. So that was the happiest moment for me. And God had good plans for me after coming back. I got a good job in Goa. So I'm happy now here. हाँ भले earnings थोड़े कम है, but I have that satisfaction कि yes, I am staying with family and yes, I'm working in a good company.
Yes, and you'll always, always, always be blessed with this attitude of, counting blessings. Good company, good job. हम कोस भी सकते हैं. ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. This is not good, that is not right. When everything feels
Yes.
right, it's right. And we have to choose to feel right. So great. I
Yes.
wish you all the best, infinite grace and choices blessings to inspire millions. Thank you so much, Sana. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Saniji. Thank you so much.